Lovely.
Is this recording, yeah? Is this recording?
Yeah. Go on. Separate.
Yeah, come on, move forward a bit.
Yeah, because we're in.
It doesn't matter. Come on!
Not wet, like. That's probably famous.
Alright.
Ah, they're good though.
Yeah, good crack, alright.
Yeah, but like.
If you're actually looking for fireworks though, I wouldn't
Oh
be
yeah, you would, yeah. You're looking for big.
Yeah, like rockets. Oh yeah, that would look class.
Did you get that?
Yeah, it is. I think so. Anyway.
Oh, yeah, be alright too.
They're moving forward now, watch out.
Yeah. Alright. Fuck.
There we go. Now this is gonna hit us. This is gonna hit us. That is pure on. Way! It's stood straight in front of me, man. Come on, he's our bench. Just couldn't hit shit in the. Couldn't score in the whorehouse. Come on, hit us!
Sure, come on, Graham, you come out.
Yeah, you chicken shit.
Move forward, so scrap.
Yeah.
Eventually get fucked off soon.
Right, my hands are freezing. Someone else record now. Fuck that. Right, one more now.
Oh, I'm not keeping my hands in the yoke, let me.
One more and the fucking take an hour.
What's the video?
I'm gonna run towards this one. You go towards it.
Watch. He's coming with.
Oh, he's right in front of